How to create an employee attendance with Leave Tracker in Microsoft Excel. In a blank worksheet, go to the View tab and uncheck the grid lines to make the sheet look cleaner. In column C, enter the month and year, then adjust the column width and add borders. In cell D3, create a drop-down list for all months by going to the Data tab, selecting Data Validation, choosing List, and typing the months from January to December separated by commas without spaces. Once done, click OK and the drop-down list will appear. For the year, just enter it manually to make it faster, then format it and apply any fill color you like. Next, add headers starting at column A in row 7. And make some column adjustments. In cell F7, apply the formula to create dynamic dates. Then press Enter and drag it across to column AJ. Select the columns with dates, then double-click between the column headers to auto-adjust their width so the dates are displayed clearly. From column A to column AJ, select the headers, scroll down, and add borders. The next step is to highlight the dates. Right-click, choose Format Cells, and select a preferred date format. Under the Alignment tab, rotate the text up to save space. Above the dates, insert the days of the week using the formula. Then press Enter and drag it to the right until it aligns with all the dates. Center the text, add borders, merge any extra headers, and adjust the columns as needed. Now let's highlight weekends by applying conditional formatting. Select the range of days and dates, go to Conditional Formatting, create a new rule, and choose Use a Formula to determine which cells to format. Enter the formula, After entering the formula, click Format and go to the Fill tab. I want to use 2 colors, so go to Fill Effects and choose Color 1 and Color 2 depending on your preferred colors. For the shading style, you can choose any option you like. Then click OK. In the Font section, set the text to bold and change the font color to white for clarity. Click OK, then OK again. Once applied, Saturdays and Sundays will be highlighted. For the attendance codes, create a list on another sheet first. We will use this as a reference for the drop-down list that we are going to create. Back on the main sheet, select the range below the dates, Go to Data Validation, select List, and use the list you created. Then press Enter and click OK. Now the attendance dropdown is ready and you can center the values for a better look. Next, we will add color coding to the code so that we can identify them more easily. Select the attendance range, go to Conditional Formatting, choose Highlight Cells rule, then Equal to. In Format Cell, type P. This P is the one we will apply a format color to first. Then click the drop-down arrow, choose Custom Format. In the Font section, make the text bold and set the color to white. Next, go to the Fill tab. You can choose any color you want, but I want two colors, so I will select Fill Effect. For color 1, select light green. Then for color 2, choose dark green. In shading style, you have many options depending on your preference. This is what I will choose, then click OK, then OK again. As you can see, the formatting has been applied to the letter P. Click OK to finalize the formatting. Next, we will also add color to codes AA and AW using conditional formatting. Go to Conditional Formatting. Instead of choosing Highlight Cells rule, I will choose the Manage rule. Here we can see the first rule that we created. Click it, then Duplicate rule. Click one rule, go to Edit Rule, and replace P with AA. Next, click Format, Fill Effects, then choose the two colors you want. Click OK. In the Font tab, leave it as is, then click OK. Click Apply. Now, as you can see, AA has turned red. Next, let's apply the same format to AW. Again, just select the AA rule, Duplicate rule, then Edit rule. Replace AA with AW. For formatting, we don't need to do anything since they have the same format. Click OK, then Apply. Now AW has also turned red. For RD, do the same process, but we need to change the fill color. Now, codes P, AA, AW, and RD already have colors. Next, we will also add color to all the leave codes, but only one color will be applied to all of them. So that we don't need to add color to each code one by one, this is what we will do. Go again to Conditional Formatting, New Rule, select Use a Formula to determine which cells to format. In the Formula tab, type this formula. Here we will use the list of leave codes, so we don't need to do it one by one. Press Enter and continue typing the formula. Once done, go to Format. Fill Effects and choose the two colors that you want. Then click OK. Go to the Font tab. In the font style, make it bold and white color. Then click OK. OK again. Now all of our leave codes already have color. Let's try selecting codes from the drop-down list to see if it will work in other cells. Now everything is set. The next thing we will do is computations for attendance total and leaves. At the end, I already placed the headers. In the total working days column, we will use the counta function to count all the cells that have a value. For the authorized absence column, we will use the countif function. This time, We will put the codes that we want to total, in this case, the AA code. Now, in this row, there is one AA. That's why the formula shows 1. Let's try adding another AA. Now the total in the authorized absence column is 2. Next, for the unauthorized absence column, just copy the formula from the authorized absence column, then replace AA with AW. Do this in all columns, just replace the code based on the code you want to get the total of. For leaves, just copy and paste the formula, then change the codes to make it faster. After applying the formula, copy it down so it applies to other rows. Next, center the values to make it look neat. Now I want to hide all 0 values. To do that, make sure the data range is still selected, then right-click with the mouse, choose Format Cells, Custom, and in the Type Replace General with this format. Click OK. Now all zeros are hidden and our attendance tracker with leaves monitoring is ready to use. Don't forget to save, like, share, and follow for more tutorials.